Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brian here at Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to the channel for another Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. Hey, today, short and sweet, right? My quick tip today, guys, is to think big and bigger than that. Okay, we're 2021. We just come out of a very, I would say, a turmoil-filled year. Okay, in 2020. But hey, we've made it to a new year, right? And that means there's new opportunities that are going to be available to you, new possibilities, and really the possibilities for you are unlimited. However, I see too many people too often placing limitations on themselves, even when it comes to goal setting. Is as crazy as that may sound, right? You think goals, you think you're pushing yourself, but here's the thing. Often you hear people say set measurable goals, and I do agree with that. I do absolutely agree with setting measurable goals, but what you don't want to do is get caught up in setting measurable goals to the degree in which you place limitation in that process upon yourself. Okay, and what I mean by that is you do want to have very specific measurable goals. However, you don't want to not stretch yourself, because what happens too often when people set measurable goals is that they are basing their goals and their potential off of their current situations, right? If you're talking money, you're basing it off of maybe how you can get better at your job and maybe work more overtime or get into a new position, okay? Or even working your job and starting a small like side hustle, whatever that may be. What I want to encourage you to do is to think bigger than you ever have thought before, right? Because sometimes the things that it takes, right, to stretch yourself to reach really your dream life is going to be things that cannot be done by simply thinking about them or writing them. You got to remember, sometimes the goals and the desires we have is the subconscious aspect, that spiritual side of ourselves that knows no limits speaking to us, okay? But because we're often just looking from the perception of our eyeballs, we do not see and we can't comprehend the things it takes to accomplish those things, right? Those big dreams, those big goals, right? That sometimes get you really uncomfortable. And that's really what I want you to do. And that's really what I mean by think big and then even bigger than that, right? To reach the goals, to reach your dream life, for those of you who are big time dreamers, who have big time aspirations, you're going to have to think in a way that makes you uncomfortable, right? And in that process, you know, the things that it will take for you to accomplish those dreams, those goals, those desires, then they will come about. But if you rely on the things that you know right now based on your limited understanding of you know, whether that be business, whether that be relationships, if it's a relationship goal, right? If you're an entrepreneur and business, how to really scale, right? Sometimes these things seem too far-fetched because you're utilizing your knowledge of what you know to try to get to these goals, and then that scares you totally out of even trying to achieve them because you feel you don't know enough. Okay, so I really want to encourage you, you know, think big, guys. It's 2021, it's a new year, but every day you wake up, every second that goes by, there's new possibilities for you, and really unlimited potential for you. Okay, so I just want to encourage you guys to do that. You know, think big, think bigger than that, think bigger than you have ever thought. Be comfortable in doing that. Don't be afraid, don't be fearful. Strive after whatever it is within you that's not based on your own consciousness, right? Your own limited understanding of just life in general and all its different aspects. Don't base your potential off of your understanding, okay? And once you come to understand what it might take to achieve a particular dream or a particular goal, live that out and have it manifest, then you go out and acquire the skill sets or whatnot that it's going to take to, if you know, if you got in a sense of direction that you need to go in to accomplish those things, then you go after that. But I promise you, just, you know, think big. And if you don't know it already, once you start thinking big, once you start really pushing yourself in that aspect, you will figure out what it's going to take, and you will start to see things blossom and manifest in your life for your greater self, you know, for your greater self to live out the dreams and the life that you seek and you aspire to. So that's it for today's Quick Tip Tuesday video, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed already, please hit the little red subscribe button somewhere below, the bell notification right next to it, so you don't miss when we upload new content, because we're doing it every single week, multiple times a week. We got some great videos coming out. We're gonna keep it going, guys, for 2021. We're really gonna push it, help you achieve your goals and your dreams in any way in which we can, and we can add value. And if we have gotten value from this video, please do like, share, subscribe, share with other people, let other people know what we're doing here on the channel. And we'd love to hear your comments about what you have going for 2021, your dreams, your goals, your aspirations. What are your targets for the year? What are you going to accomplish? Because we're confident in you. All right, take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace.